What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a high fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by creating our first guideline with our goat FX and contouring it to his head shape. Don't forget to use your opposite hand to stretch the skin when needed. Now that we're done balding him out with our trimmers, we're gonna apply some shave stick and move on to our babeless foil shavers. We're applying shave stick so he doesn't bump up when we remove the stubble with our babeless foil shavers. You want to flick out about an inch away from the guideline as much as possible so you don't create a harsher guideline. Now that we're done removing all the stubble, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make this guideline around an inch thick so you can spread the blend. We're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way to help us erase that initial guideline. You want to detail with your lever as much as possible, and you also want to stretch the skin when needed. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, we're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now that we're done softening up the line with the one guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Remember to use your corners as much as possible. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our foreguard all the way closed and begin to debulk the top. Now that we're done debulking the top with our foreguard, we can move on to our two guard all the way open and create our fourth guideline. We're flicking out as much as possible once we get to the parietal ridge. Now that we're done preparing for our 1.5 guard with our 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and begin to erase the line completely. Sometimes after using the 1.5 guard, there's still a faint line, so moving on to your 1 guard all the way open and using his corners would definitely help. Now I'm using my 3 guard all the way open, and we're going to prepare for our clipper of a comb method. Now that we're done debulking with our 3, we can move on to our clipper of a comb and make the fade as smooth as possible. Now that we're done detailing with our trimmers and foil shavers, we can move on to our Anise Tea outliners and make them as crispy as possible. I usually start off at the middle and the widow's peak and then work my way to the light corners. You want to make sure not to press too hard here because then the hair won't feed into the trimmer properly. You want to keep his vertical bars as natural as possible, so make sure not to dig too far into that corner. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, leave a comment down below of my subscriber count just to show me that you're paying attention. Moving on to our Turkish Razor Derby Premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some elegant shave gel so the blade can glide better. Since we already applied the shave gel, I'm going to give you a few tips on the razor. You want to stretch the skin as much as possible when you're using the razor, and also you want to keep it at a 45-degree angle so you have a less chance of cutting somebody.